Hello, my dear students. Let us continue. Yes. So, in the previous video, we saw how Papa Peno was eagerly waiting for Jesus to come. Yes. He also shared the coffee with the sweeper. The sweeper was very happy. Then, let us continue. When he had gone, when the sweeper went, Papa Penau put on cabbage soup for his dinner, then went to the door again, scanning the street. सूप बनाने के लिए रखा और वापस रास्ते के पास आके देखने लगे कि कौन आ रहा है कौन आ रहा है. He saw no one, but he was mistaken. पहले तो कोई नहीं दिखा, बट वो गलत थे. There was someone. Someone was coming. कौन आ रहा था? See, this woman. Girl. The girl walked so slowly and quietly, hugging the walls of shops and houses, that it was a while before he noticed her. तो ये एक लड़की थी, एकदम स्लोली और दीवार को पकड़ पकड़ के आ रही थी, इसीलिए पापा पेनो को फर्स्ट में दिखे ही नहीं. She looked very tired and she was carrying something. बहुत टायर्ड थी और उसके हाथ में कुछ था. क्या था? As he drew nearer, he could see that it was a baby wrapped in a thin shawl. There was such sadness in her face and in the pinched little face of the baby that Papa Penau's heart went out to them. वो लड़की का मुंह बहुत उदास था. बच्चा जो छोटा था वो उसका भी मुंह एकदम मुरझाया हुआ था. इनको देख के पापा पेनाउ को बहुत बुरा लगा. Won't you come in? He called, stepping outside to meet them. You both need a warmth by the fire and a rest. How sweet. Papa Penau went out and he called that girl. आप आओ ना अंदर, बाहर बहुत ठंडी है, आप दोनों आओ, आपको थोड़ा यहाँ पे अच्छा लगेगा. The young mother let him shepherd her indoors. उन्होंने young mother ने they let him shepherd him indoors means let him guide, मतलब उसको बताने को दिया कि हाँ आप आगे चलो, हाँ मैं आपके पीछे आती हूँ. And to the comfort of the armchair, she gave a big sigh of relief. So armchair में बैठे and she was a bit relaxed. I'll warm some milk for the baby, Papa Penau said. Papa Penau ने ना मैं दूध गर्म करता हूँ आपके बच्चे के लिए. बहुत भूखा भी लग रहा है, उदास लग रहा है. I'll give some milk. I have had children of my own. I can feed her for you. He took the milk from the stove and carefully fed the baby from a spoon, warming her tiny feet by the stove at the same time. उसने पापा पेनो ने बोला कि मेरे पास भी पहले बच्चे थे, अभी बड़े होके बाहर चले गए हैं, तो ये बच्चे को मैं दूध देता हूँ. तो स्पून से दूध दे रहे थे और इसका बेबी का जो पैर है उसको गर्मी दे रहे थे. कहाँ से? वो स्टोव से. She needs shoes, the cobbler said. पापा पेनो ने बोला अरे इसको तो शूज़ का ज़रूरत है. Because it's so cold outside, her feet is very cold. But the girl replied, I can't afford shoes. I have got no husband to bring home money. I am on my way to the next village to get work. मैं तो अभी खरीद ही नहीं सकती इसके लिए शूज़. I don't have any money and I don't have husband who will earn for me and give the money to me. So मैं यहाँ से दूसरी जगह जा रही हूँ ताकि मुझे वहाँ पे काम मिल सके. A sudden thought flashed through Papa Penau's mind. उसको कुछ याद आया. He remembered the little shoes he had looked at last night, but he had been keeping those for Jesus. तो वो Jesus के लिए रखे थे. He looked again at the cold little feet and made up his mind. वापस ये बच्ची का ठंडा पैर देखा और उन्होंने एक डिसीजन लिया. Try these on her, he said, handing the baby and the shoes to the mother. How sweet. See children, पापा पेनाउ ने वो शूज़ ये बच्ची को दे दिया. The beautiful little shoes were a perfect fit. The girl smiled happily and the baby gurgled with pleasure. So the mother was very happy and the baby also felt very comfortable. So that also started gurgling. You have been so kind to us, the girl said when she got up with her baby to go. So जब वो जा रही थी तभी पापा पेनो बोला आप बहुत काइंड हो. May all your Christmas wishes come true. आपको जो भी विशेस है सारा सच हो जाए. But Papa Penna was beginning to wonder if his special Christmas wish would come true. वो सोच में पड़ गए कि मेरा जो इच्छा है वो होगा कि नहीं. Perhaps he had missed his visitor. क्या वो visitor को किसी को मिस कर गए? He looked anxiously up and down. When we are waiting for someone, so we are very much eager to see what is happening. Yes, we are very much eager to see. There were plenty of people about, but they were all faces that he recognized. सारों को तो वो पहचानता था, तो इसमें कौन आएगा अपने घर. They were neighbors going to call on their families. Since it was Christmas, everyone were going to others' house to wish Christmas. They were very happy. They nodded and smiled and wished him happy Christmas. Oh, beggars! Papa Penna hurried indoors to fetch them hot soup and a generous hunk of bread, hurrying out again in case he missed the important stranger. पापा पेना ने लोगों को देखा जो लोग बहुत खुश थे, यहाँ वहाँ जा रहे हैं, हैप्पी क्रिसमस बोल रहे हैं, और फिर उन्होंने बेगर्स को भी देखा. एंड अगेन ही वेंट इनसाइड और उनके लिए कैबेज सूप एंड ब्रेड लाया. एंड जल्दी भाग के आए ताकि ही वोंट मिस एनी stranger, important stranger. All too soon the winter dusk fell. सब हो गया, शाम हो रहा है. When Papa Penna next went to the door and strained his eyes, he could no longer make out the passers-by. Most were home and indoors by now anyway. कोई नहीं था, आधे तो सब लोग घर आ गए. He walked slowly back into the room. At last put up the shutters and sat down wearily in his armchair. अपना दरवाज़ा बंद किया, शटर्स लगाया, उसका घर और शॉप एक ही था, लगाया, and he was very tired and he sat in his armchair. So it had been just a dream after all. Jesus had not come. Then all at once he knew that he was no longer alone in the room. तो पहले उसने सोचा ये तो सिर्फ ड्रीम ही था, सच में जीसस कुछ आए नहीं. But suddenly he saw someone. This was not a dream, for he was wide awake. अभी तो ड्रीम नहीं है. So there was someone. At first he seemed to see before his eyes the long stream of people who had come to him that day. So सबसे पहले उनको वही दिखे, सब लोग जो लोग सुबह में उनके घर आए थे. He saw again the old road sweeper. सबसे पहले उन्होंने स्वीपर को देखा. The young girl and her mother and the beggars he had fed. As they passed, each whispered, "Didn't you see me, Papa Penna?" सब लोग उनसे पास होके जा रहे थे और सब लोगों ने एक ही बोला, आपने क्या देखा नहीं? Who are you? He called out, bewildered. Confused होके उसने पूछा, अरे आप लोग कौन हो? Then another voice answered him. It was the voice from his dream, the voice of Jesus. फिर एक वॉइस आया जो वॉइस उसने ड्रीम पे सुना था. So that voice was of Jesus. So now Jesus is saying, I was hungry and you fed me. मैं भूखा था, आपने मुझे खाना दिया. I was naked and you clothed me. मेरे पे क्लोथ्स नहीं थे और आपने मुझे कपड़े दिए. I was cold and you warmed me. मुझे बहुत ठंड लग रहा था, बट आपने अंदर बुला के मुझे गर्मी दिया. I came to you today in every one of those who helped and welcomed. So मैं सुबह जो भी था उन सब में मैं था, आपने सबको मदद किया. I came to you today in every one of those you helped and welcomed. आपने उन सबको हेल्प किया, वेलकम किया घर पे. So उनमें ही सब में मैं था. Then all was quiet and still. Only the sound of the big clock ticking could be heard. So it was full silence over there. Just the sound of clock was heard. So you must have experienced, पूरा क्लास शांत है, जस्ट वॉल क्लॉक का आवाज़ सुनाई दे रहा है आपको. So उसका टिक टिक का साउंड भी आपको क्लियरली सुनाई देता है. Yes, a great peace and happiness seemed to fill the room, overflowing Papa Penna's heart until he wanted to burst out singing and laughing and dancing with joy. So at last Papa Penna was very happy. He was at peace because his dream at last came true. So he did come after all, was all that he said. ओ आखिर में वो आ ही गए, वो आए ही थे मेरे पास. So my dream come true. My dream came true. So this was the words he told. Was written Leo Tolstoy. Isn't it a beautiful story? If we feel that we want to do something, भगवान के लिए ये करना है वो करना है, it's better we help people. If we help people, automatically we are doing something for God. So we should always try giving others. पैसे नहीं तो कुछ काम, कुछ चीज़ें दीजिए, खाना दीजिए. We should always help others who are in need. Yes, children, I hope the story is understood by you all. Okay, bye.